In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a paywall for your subscribers on Substack. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you wish to create payment plans for your content on Substack, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. In the first step, you need to go ahead and log into your Substack account. And once you are here, go to your account here. And from here, scroll down to settings. Now under settings, go ahead and look for payment option, and as you can see, it is here, and tap on it. Now here you're told allow your subscribers to pay you via credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. You're told payment go directly to your bank account. Now to create a paywall, go to payments here, and then here you have to review and agree to Substack's publishers agreement and acknowledge its information collection notice and privacy policy. So check on this and then accept. Now from here, you will be redirected to this connect account where you'll have to connect your Substack account to Stripe. So here you'll have to enter your Stripe email account to continue and finalize the connection. So for my case, I'll not proceed from here because I don't want to create a subscription plan, but these are the steps you should take for you to create a paywall on Substack account. So as a creator, you'll be able to sell your subscriptions to your subscribers each and every time they want to access your content. So that's how you can create a paywall on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.